In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. I am Iman Ansari from class 7. Good morning, honorable chief guest, respectable principal, worthy teachers, and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. I can't express how grateful I am to have all of you here with us. Thank you all for coming. Let's start the event with the name of Allah. न हो मुमताज़ क्यों इस्लाम दुनिया भर के दीनों में, न हो मुमताज़ क्यों इस्लाम दुनिया भर के दीनों में, वहाँ मज़हब किताबों में, यहाँ कुरान सीनों में. May I would like to invite Abu Bakr for the recitation. Subhanallah, فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. Which blessings of your Lord will you deny? Let's move forward. I would request you all to stand up in respect of the national anthem. Thank you so much to all of you. Start with the name of Allah, who is the most powerful. Today we are free and settled due to the kindness of Allah. Allah gave us great parents who sacrificed their sons for the freedom and maintenance of their country. Salute those sons who are writing the history of freedom from their blood. Today is the 6th September. As all of you know that we are celebrating the 47th Defense Day of Pakistan. Dear fellows, we celebrate this day in the memory of those beloved and brave soldiers who fought bravely and died in the Indo-Pak War of 1965. But made successful defense of Lahore and other important cities of Pakistan. When the enemy was attacked our land, carrying their unclean intentions, they came to think that they would party in Lahore on September evening. But the whole world understands that in 1965, just how the fearless, brave and bold tigers of Pakistan army smashed the planned, structured and secret violence of the enemy. They decreased all the pride and boldness of the huge Indian military to ashes. In the words of Iqbal, दश्त तो दश्त हैं दरिया भी ना छोड़े हमने, दश्त तो दश्त हैं दरिया भी ना छोड़े हमने, बहरे जुल्मत में दौड़ा दिए घोड़े हमने. May I would like to call Rimsha from class 8 to come on stage and present a speech about Defense Day. Clap for her. Now we pay tributes to our Shahadas and Ghazis who defended geographical borders of the motherland, boldly and courageously defeat the enemy squarely on the ground, in air and on the sea. So I would like to invite class 6 boys for the tableau. What a performance, boys! A big round of applause for them. Pakistan Defense Day is the most remarkable and memorable time in the history of Pakistan. That day we keep in mind all the surrender given by our peoples in protection of our country. It had been the most hardest time for Pakistanis. However, with the passion and love for country, they provided it the most pleasant day of their life and got martyred for country. ए राहे हक के शहीदों वफा की तस्वीरों, तुम्हें वतन की हवाएं सलाम कहती हैं. Let's listen in the voice of Ikra, Hira and Sabah. A big round of applause for class 8 girls. Good job, girls. Beautiful voice, mashallah. Now I request to our respected principal to come on stage and share your beautiful words with us. Welcome with loud applause. Thank you, sir, for your guidance and your beautiful words. Let's end our event with these lines. खूने दिल देकर निखारेंगे रुखे बरगे गुलाब, खूने दिल देकर निखारेंगे रुखे बरगे गुलाब, हमने गुलशन के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ की कसम खाई है. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you so much.